Thanks to the UN Tourism Secretary General Mr. Zura for supporting us in preparing for this event. We are honored to be associated with UNWTO, and to hold this meeting in Africa redefines its global identity through the vibrancy of its people, rich cultural heritage, and boundless promise. UNWTO's membership of 160 states, including 51 from Africa, reflects our collective ambition and global impact. Tourism is more than traveling or visiting historical sites, waterfalls, mountains, and parks. It is an engine of local economies, a catalyst for social understanding, and a bridge that unites cultures. The advent of technology and creativity has transformed tourism and its opportunities. Therefore, it is appropriate that this conference highlights the impact of AI, innovation, and creative industries on the tourism sector. Apart from its economic value, tourism has the potential to enhance local entrepreneurship and community development by supporting small businesses such as tour operators, local artisans, hospitality providers, and service industries. Tourism creates new opportunities for entrepreneurship, especially in rural areas. As Nigeria works towards establishing itself as a top destination for visitors worldwide, we understand the importance of pursuing growth without losing sight of our responsibility to protect the environment and safeguard our rich cultural heritage. Our approach to developing tourism. Nigeria supports adopting sustainable tourism practices across Africa, which reflect the country's unique challenges. By collaborating with regional bodies such as the African Union, ECOWAS, and UN Tourism, Nigeria encourages other African nations policies promoting eco-friendly tourism and preserving cultural heritage. This collaboration includes sharing best practices, tourism training, developing joint marketing campaigns for sustainable tourism, and improving infrastructure to support intra-African travel. Through these regional initiatives, Africa can foster a continent-wide movement towards tourism that benefits both the people and the environment, driving long-term prosperity for Africa. During your meetings in the next few days, I urge you to focus on practical solutions and collaborative strategies that will strengthen intra-African travel, boost investment in tourism infrastructure, empower local communities, and deepen tourism's role in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals and making African tourism the heart of the global conversation. I look forward to hearing diverse perspectives at this conference and learning how to harness tourism's full potential to boost the economies of Africa. On this note, on behalf of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I formally declare the 68th meeting of the UN Tourism Regional Commission for Africa CARPOP. Thank you, and once again, welcome.